Hello everybody. So let's start with the new type of nouns or naming words that are countable and uncountable nouns. Let's see what are countable nouns. Countable nouns क्या होते हैं? Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is counting. So something that can be counted is a countable noun. जो गिना जा सकता है, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 2 pencils. मेरे पास 2 pencils हैं. Pencil is something that I can count. So something that we can count is called a countable noun. They have singular as well as plural forms. अब ये जो countable nouns हैं ये singular भी हो सकते हैं, plural भी हो सकते हैं. Means if one thing is there, definitely that can be counted one thing. If there is more than one but are countable, then that is countable noun. And we can even say that countable nouns जो है उनको हम singular से plural में convert कर सकते हैं या plural से singular में convert कर सकते हैं. For example, book. Now if we say book, it means a book, one book. But books is more than one. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100. Any number can be there. So something that can be counted is countable noun. They have singular as well as plural forms, and even we can say that something that can be changed into plural from singular is a countable noun. Uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? Something that cannot be counted. It's definitely the opposite of countable noun. Countable noun का opposite है uncountable noun. अगर countable nouns can be counted, then uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Something that cannot be counted is uncountable noun. Though they are not individual objects, they always have singular form. अब जिस चीज़ को हम गिन नहीं सकते, it means we can say that we can talk about the quantity of that thing, but that cannot be counted. We can say how much, but not how many. वो एक चीज़ नहीं होती है. That is not an individual object. एक नहीं होता, but still uncountable nouns के लिए we use singular form. For example, water. Water is very cold. Oil. I need some oil. We can't say I need 1 oil, I need 2 oil. We can say I need some oil. Same way, cheese. अब हम water को count नहीं कर सकते. Suppose you need water. You will not say I need 1 water. आप ये नहीं बोलोगे कि मुझे एक water चाहिए. You will say I need a glass of water. मुझे पानी का एक गिलास चाहिए. Glass. Now glass is countable. It may be 1 glass, 2 glasses, 3 glasses, 4 glasses. So here glass is countable but water is uncountable. So something that cannot be counted is uncountable noun. Countable, something that can be counted. They have singular as well as plural forms. Even the singular can be changed into plural. But uncountable nouns are the nouns that cannot be counted. They are not individual objects. वो अकेले नहीं होते हैं, but फिर भी उनके लिए हम singular form use करते हैं. I hope countable and uncountable nouns are clear with you. Thank you very much.